I used to feel that rest would make me heal myself, that it would suddenly clear my mind, fix whatever was going on in my life, and I would have a lot more clarity of what I want to do or how I want to do it. Rest was never that way for me. Hi, welcome to Latte Regards, Devanshi, and today I'm here to talk about how I associate myself with rest and how it made me make rest the motto of my brand Crush Cafe. If you're also wondering what rest does to you and how rest is a part of your life, continue watching this video. So, as I said, rest doesn't fix things. Rest is not something where difficult thoughts and feelings are going to vanish and suddenly you will have peace in your life. It's not like you can lie down on your bed for 10 minutes and the next 6 to 7 hours of the day are going to be a lot more better for you. There will be days when rest is going to be uncomfortable, when it is going to bring so much discomfort to you that you will not feel like resting. You will want to distract yourself from rest and scroll through social media or watch something on OTT platforms or watch TV. But at times, that rest is needed. At times, that discomfort is needed because it is trying to tell something to you. It is trying to pinpoint on that area that needs listening. And that is what rest does to us. When I'm resting, when I go through uncomfortable thoughts and feelings when I'm resting, or sometimes when I feel a lot more better after resting, I notice that I start to breathe differently. It is a lot more slower, at a pace that feels more comfortable. It's not as heavy on me, or it's not very quick. It's slow, it's deep, and it does something to me from the inside. It just makes me feel not relaxed but comfortable with whatever is happening around me. It makes me feel more like myself. It makes me feel as if I am being myself again. And that is only possible when I'm resting. Otherwise, if I have a day full of heavy schedule and I don't take a break in between, and or if I have like a week full of activities and I don't take one day to pause, it makes me feel very restless. It makes me feel very, how do I say? It makes me feel as if something is missing and I need that break for myself, for my body, for my mind, because I cannot process things later. It's a signal that I need to take a break. And that is why I also created my brand Crush Cafe. I know that there are people around me who feel the same as me, and they feel disconnected and disengaged with themselves, and they don't know how to process the discomfort that they get. So, through activities, through writing and painting and such theme based activities, I am trying to help myself and other people bring in that sort of an engagement with themselves. Rest has taught me that I'm not broken. It has taught me that sometimes I don't need to rush through processes to gain something. And it reminds me of this dialogue from the movie that I watched very recently, where it said that sometimes it's better to choose the easier way because that is what we need instead of choosing the hard way. And that is how I see hustle and balanced life. Balanced life is something that brings in ease in your productivity, something that brings in ease in the way you tackle things. And you don't have to put in so much efforts, but that is only possible if you're able to be with yourself, be still with yourself, and listen to what you have to say. Otherwise, it's going to go into the hustle mode, and you're going to be a lot more confused of how to tackle with things. Yeah, I get that rest is uncomfortable. Sometimes you feel guilty of taking rest, or you don't want to hear those thoughts and feelings that you've been trying to avoid for so long, but that is needed. That is necessary just so that it makes you feel more clearer when you actually tackle it in real life. Rest is not a reward for me. It's not something that I give myself as a way where, oh, I've done a lot of work, now I can rest. I rest when I want to rest and not if I've achieved something. That is the way that I allow myself to exist on days when I just need to be. It's not a gift where you have to race through a competition and you earn that gift. Rest itself is a process, rest itself is a journey, and I hope that I can be a part of this journey for you as well. With that, I'm going to leave this space and take some rest. Latte regards, Devanshi.